Hi, what's up, XRP holder? XRP holder, this is live price prediction of XRP coin, my friend. And this time, I have very special information for all XRP holder. And at the end, I also predicate this coin for all my viewers. This is very important video, so therefore kindly must watch this video, because a lot of experts says to upcoming time the very huge pump is coming soon, but absolutely some holders tell me to the very bad dump is coming soon. So let's see, my friend. We will personally decide this, my friend. But please, if you are new my channel, I have one request: to subscribe this channel and also press the bell icon. I will give you 100% guarantee to you will earn a lot of money in a crypto market. My brother, this time XRP price will decrease now minus 3.36%. And what's happening, my friend, in upcoming time if they were fails down like that? Definitely everyone is going to be lost now. But ABS channel will give you guarantee, my friends, so you will never lost if you follow my advice. My brother, in upcoming time there is 100% chance to the price will be increasing. I personally research, my friend, but therefore I will tell you, my friend, sometime to please don't starting selling, because my friend, in upcoming 10 days I will give you 100% guarantee to the price is going to be double. Now they will give you a very good percentage. They will complete the price increase now, so therefore I will notify you to don't starting selling. Just in only you will need to hold, and I hope if you hold, so I will give you guarantee to in upcoming days, especially in the last my friends 10 days of every month, my friend, every coin will pump up. So therefore the big pump is coming soon. Please holder, you will need to hold and don't starting selling. I will give you guarantee to they will give you a profit. So I hope you will understand, and this is my personal experience which I share. Please remember, this is not a financial video, and my opinion is for all of you to please hold. What's your opinion? Share your opinion in a comment box. Allah Hafiz, take care, see you next time.